Hello dear friends, this is Manoj Singh and I have come with a very interesting lesson, and today's topic is collective nouns. It's a very interesting topic and you have to understand in this video, and I welcome you once again in this video. So have a look with me and we will talk about the collective noun in the English grammar. So nouns has some different categories, so particularly I have come with this lesson. It is collective noun. You have to understand how to identify the collective noun in a sentence or in a English grammar. So today's topic is about collective nouns. So have a look with me. So I'll tell you how to identify it. So collective noun is today's topic is collective noun, and its means is plural of the same class. For example, the same meaning in plural sense from the same class, it is a kind of collective noun. Means you can say the same things in number of varieties or in group of things, so it is collective noun. And definition, we talk about the definition. The collective noun, name of group or collection of things. This is the definition. The name of group or collection of things, this is called collective noun. And remember that the nouns are names of people, animal, place and things, because we know the noun is a name for particular name, kind of person, place, things, animals, they have the particular name. So we have a different categories in collective noun. We have to understand how many types we have to learn, and today's topic is based on collective nouns. So collective noun is a kind of the group of name or collection of things. It is called collective noun. So I have mentioned some examples in this video, and for example हम बात करते हैं एक buffalo की. The buffalo एक particular noun है, and that is animal. Buffalo is an animal and buffaloes are the collective names for them. It is kind of plural in the same class. So you have to understand the plural, it's a different plural meaning, and singular has the different meaning. So plural is kind of collective in a same group. So geese, and you must have seen the geese. Geese, the plural is a geese. There is no change. And puppy, we talk about the dogs, and we have some pets we call puppy, and we have so many puppies. It means the puppies. It's a collective name of the puppies, because there would be the different kind of puppies, but we have to say the puppies are the group of name, means it's a collective noun. And next is ant. And we have so many ants, so it is called the ants. We have, for example, number of ants are there, so we would say ants are there. And fish doesn't have, fish is already, it's a collective names. If we have the particular one fish, so one fish is a kind of word, noun, and the number of fishes are there. If we have different kind of fishes, so we would say the particular name for the fishes, because there is one category, one fish. For example, this is, you can understand, it's a fish and it has only the same sequence like this, so we would say fish. And we have some different kind of in a color and quality, shape and size, we have the different kind of fish, so we would say fishes. We have so many fishes, so there would be the different kind of collective noun. But in this particular single class, single categories, so we would use fish for fish. It's a particular one generation, one the thing, then you can use it for the fish. And class is also the collective noun, because there are the students only, so class is kind of the collective noun. And council, we have the it's a collective noun. Council has the same thing, a person, people are there. So this is the council also the word that is collective, and jury is also the collective noun, because jury is made by number of people, person, so it is called jury is a kind of collective noun. And family is a collective noun, and police is a collective noun, and team is also called the collective noun. So here I have some list, that is the common collective nouns are there in the life. So I have mentioned some list over there, and list in common collective nouns. For example, we talk about flock. The flock is a group of birds, and flock, it's a collective noun we use for number of birds, because we have so many birds in that, so we use flock for the number of birds. And swarm a group of insects. Insects is a swarm is a number of birds, it's an insects. And shoal is a group of fishes, we have some more fishes, so swarm is kind of number of fishes, so we use shoal is kind of group of fishes. And a group is a group of people, we use group, the word it is used for the number of people, so it is group is for number of people. And the same thing, crowd is the number of peoples, we would say crowd. For example, something is happening, so there is number of people are there, so we would use that word as a crowd. We have the crowd, so crowd is a kind of number of people. And gang, it's a gang, its word is gang. Gang is a group of criminals. For example, there is different criminals, we have some group of the criminals, so we would say it's a gang. So gang is particularly collective noun for the particular criminals, so gang is the word of criminals. And last is staff, a group of people. Staff is a group of people who work in the same company or in a same organization, so we would use the word for particular them, the staff. And we can use the crew. Crew is kind of in a different aviation department, or in any kind of service department, there is the service employees, they serve to the customers, we can use them. The word the crew is the kind of worker, they work in a department, but the staff is a group of people who work in a same company. It's a complete meaning of staff. And here I have some examples. These are the examples, I think so more than enough to understand. And these are the words that is the collective noun, because it's in singular sense, and I have mentioned there is plural. It's the same class, but it is in number of position, it's in plural sense. And these are the words you can write down. You can pause the button in the video, so you can write down everything else. So these are the words, these are the collective nouns, and there I have some few list that you can understand how you can identify the collective noun in English grammar. So this is the thing that you can understand collective noun by taking these examples, and I have mentioned the definition over there. The name of group or collection of things, it is called collective noun. And remember that nouns are names of people, animal, birds, places and things. This is the definition we have informed in the noun section. So it's a meaning, it's a definition of noun. So noun has some subcategories. It is collective noun, and it is the about of these collective nouns. So I hope you must have got the inform. This is the group of words, it is called collective nouns. So I think you must have enjoyed my video, and if you want some notification, you just press the bell button, and if you like, you can subscribe my channel. If you want to share this video in your friends, you can share it. You're most welcome. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.